Hello everyone, my name is Shailendra Kumar and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to build a simple AI agent using Strands Agent framework and connect it to a beautiful chat interface built with Streamlit. By end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional AI agent with a functional chat UI that can interact with the user in real time. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and developers who want to learn how to build agent-based application using Python. So let me quickly show you what we are going to build today. So we are going to build an agent with a Strand framework and we'll have a Streamlit chat interface. I will share you the code in the GitHub by end of this tutorial. And with this UI, you can connect to the agent. The agent is very simple. Let me show you the code. So we are using Strand for creating the agent, and we are using Olama model. So the model name is GPT OSS, and this last line, this is how we are getting the agent. Let me show you the front end. This is how the front end looks like, and this is built in Streamlit. Let's move on to the code. So this is the code. This is where we are building the agent, and this is an entry point that is primarily for Bedrock Agent Core. So this application can be deployed in Agent Core runtime and you can access it. This is a simple line of code. So let's see the demo. So this is the demo. This is the site. It looks like, so I already have put some message there. Now let me put one more text to this. So I live in say, let me try to summarize. If the agent can see my previous message and summarize. Can you? Yep. So you can see it can look into the previous messages and it can summarize it. Let's go back to. So in this tutorial, what we learn is we have learned about Streamlit Strand Agent. We have created an agent. We have access to a Streamlit chat UI, and we showed how to connect from front end to back end. So the code repository where all the code is there is this one, and UI is based on this repository. So you can see, but this is primarily for connecting to the Bedrock Agent Core, but I have modified the UI to connect locally so you can have access to it. Thank you for watching. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. In next coming videos, we are going to build some more complex application using tools and memories and other advanced features. See you in the next video. Thank you.